Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make stir-fry seaweed. So the seaweed I'm going to use later, Green Glacilaria seaweed, or in Balinese we call it bulung gadang. This seaweed is grown in Serangan Island, Bali, which is a local produce. But later I'm not going to use all that seaweed. Here I have 150 grams of Green Glacilaria seaweed, which is I already washed for 10 times, or you wash it until the water that you used to wash the seaweed came out clear. And later also I'm using 4 Bali hot pepper. I use the seed this time, but if you don't like to use the seed, you can get rid of the seed, or if you would like to change to big red chili, it's absolutely fine, just use 2. And here I have 2 garlic, 2 shallots, 10 grams of galangal. This kaffir lime fruit and big red chili I'm going to use later for garnish. And here I have a white peppercorn, vegetable oil, Japanese soy sauce, salt, sugar, and sesame oil. So let's make it. First thing I'm going to do is boil the seaweed. So here I have a 1 liter of water. So let's put the cooker on. We're going to waiting the water boiling first, and after that I add the seaweed. So the water is ready. Let's add the seaweed. We are going to turn it over occasionally and boil the seaweed for 3 minutes. So this has been 3 minutes. I'm going to put this aside. And now we're going to prepare the sauce. I'm using 1 tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of white peppercorn. It's around 1/4 teaspoon. Mix well. And now I'm going to slice the galangal. Slice it thinly as you can. And after that I cut like this. Slice the shallots. Slice the garlic thinly. Chilies. So now we're going to fry the seaweed. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Before I put the cooker on, I'm going to add the galangal. So the galangal will cook longer. I'm putting in the medium heat. When it's the oil ready, I'm going to add the shallot and garlic. The oil is ready now. I'm going to add the shallot and garlic. Stir it until the shallot and garlic slightly brown. So now I'm going to add the chilies just for a few seconds and add the seaweed and the sauce we mixed earlier. Cook it for the 1 minute until 2 minutes. So it's ready. Let's plate it. Smells so good. Now I'm going to cut the big red chili and kaffir lime fruit for garnish. Here we are, stir-fry seaweed. The best thing to eat this stir-fry is to squeeze little bit of the kaffir lime fruit juice on the top and then mix it together just before you eat it. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you next time. Matur suksma, bye-bye.